everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, you guys, I went to CVS. I have not been to CVS since they locked everything down. The last time I was there, they locked everything down right after that day. So I haven't been to CVS in 2 months, and one of the cashiers that I like talking to, she's like, really, you haven't been here in 2 months? I'm like, yeah, it's crazy. I've been doing a lot of online orders, but I feel like it wasn't as... Sorry, my daughter's screaming in the background. I feel like it wasn't as, you know, great deals that I was doing, but I just did not want my extra care box to expire. And I contacted CVS several times asking them, hey, is my extra bucks going to be, you know, reissued? And nobody responded to me. And then, like, I had to respond. And then finally somebody emailed me, and I'm like, yeah, but I want to know when my other extra... Can you go shut the door upstairs? So basically, you know... Yeah, I was losing extra care bucks. I had like 50 before this whole thing started, and I ended up only having 12 at the end because I just wasn't doing the greatest deals. It just wasn't working out in my favor. But you know what? That's fine. It's nice to start fresh. I did use my gift cards that I had from previous flus, but flus has CVS has disappeared. Starbucks disappeared not that long ago, but then it came back. CVS disappeared, so it'll come back. But I definitely used, you know, the gift cards that I screenshotted on my phone that I had from my flus app. But yeah. So, funny thing is, I go in the store and they have a table right in front of the cash registers. Now, I don't know if this is for everybody, but they had a table in front of the cash register. They had their little bag holder with a little security thing to get off the security tags. They had a their register, their printer, and then they had the credit card machine. And then all they did was they had this plexiglass with a little tiny hole, and they just put your hand through the hole. They scan your item. Like, you bag everything, you pretty much hold it for them to scan it. It's like you do most of the work, which I understand, you know, what's going on, but it was crazy. I'm just like, this is so weird. But yes, okay, so now let me share with you guys what I got. Now, this is somehow leaking. I don't know what is going on. But I'm really excited to try this. A lot of you guys mentioned this, but this is Dawn dish spray. Now, I really don't plan on using this for my dishes. I heard Dawn really works good with cleaning grease, and my back of my stove is really greasy, so I want to use this and see how well it works. But this was on sale for $4.99. I had a $1 off digital coupon, plus I had a $2 off CRT for Dawn Power Wash. So I got this for $1.99. Not the greatest deal, but I wanted to try this out. This is something that a lot of you guys have been telling me to try, so I was excited to try that. And usually I say, you know, the bottle, this mini bottles you should get for 99 cents. So I mean, I don't know what the ounces are between each other, but I'm like, I'm excited to try that. So we got that. I also got the Garnier Active masks. Now, these were $3.19. It's been a long time since we got masks. I feel like we got tons of them last year, the year before that, and then it's been forever since I got them last. But you want to buy 2 of them. You guys would pay $6.38. You get a $5 extra care buck. Sorry if I say register rewards. I always got Walgreens on my mind. But an extra care buck, making it $1.38 or just 69 cents. So if you guys want to get some face masks, I ended up getting the super hydrating mask and the super hydrating anti-fatigue mask because I'm getting old. Sorry, I sprayed a bunch of stuff down here. A bunch of Febreze, and it's getting to me now. Okay, so I had a these were $3.99. I had a $2 off digital coupon that I used for this. Plus I had a $1.25 CRT. So you guys would just get this for 74 cents. So if you guys need something, you know, just go ahead and do that. I wanted to do that because I didn't want to have my CRT go to waste. I ended up getting the nail polish. I really was excited to use this nail polish. So I ended up getting it's Sally Hansen Xtreme Wear. These were $3.79. I want to use the pink one and then put the glitter on top. I want to start wearing nail polish again just because I miss it. But yeah, you would pay $7.58 for this. You get a $5 extra care buck, making it $2.58 or just $1.29 a piece. So yeah, you know, it's the cheaper end of Sally Hansen, but I am totally fine with that. This deal I was super excited to get. It was I left the other one upstairs, but I ended up getting the pull-ups. Okay, these were 2 for $20. Now I got the hiccups. You guys want to use $2 off coupons. I had one paper and I had one digital. I also had a 3 off of 18 baby diapers CRT, so I ended up using that. So I paid 13 bucks for 2 packs, but then you guys will get a $5 extra care buck when you buy 2 of them. Plus, you guys can submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. Make sure you scan it, but you get $2.50 for each one, so that's an additional $5 that you get back. And you guys can submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. Now, Fetch has a deal where if you buy size 12 months to 24 months, you get an extra 3,000 points. I didn't even know if there was a size that, but they do have them. So if you guys get that small size, you can definitely, you know, use the points for Fetch. Otherwise, you'll just get regular points for Fetch. But anyways, these come out to be just $3 or $1.50 a pack, which is a great deal. So I'm pretty excited. I think my daughter will be potty training a lot earlier than my son did. So I ended up doing that just because, or in case somebody, you know, wants some diapers, I got diapers for them. Now, I ended up doing the Skintimate deal. Now, I was going to originally get 3, and then I kind of figured out the math on this, and it was actually a better deal to get 4. It wasn't cheaper, but it was a better deal. So I ended up getting the Skintimate and the Schick razors. I ended up buying 4 of them, okay? So I got 4 of them right here. These were $5.99. Now, if you buy 3, you get a $5 ECB, but I had I used 2 printable coupons that we got from coupons.com, plus I used one $3 digital coupon, okay? I had a 4 off of 2 CRT for Skintimate, and then I had a 5 off of 20 any razors, and I really wanted to use that 5 off of 20 because, I mean, basically if you use one of those, I mean, that's 99 cents for 1 pack of razors. So that's what I did. And then I paid $5.96, but then you guys will get $5 back in an extra care buck, making it just 96 cents or just 24 cents a piece. Well, I basically got these, all 4 of these for $1. Great deal. I think it would have been free with just buying 3 of them, but I'm like, for 25 cents, I will definitely go ahead and do it. I haven't bought razors in a long time, you guys. Like, I just realized, like, my razor box that I have, where my stockpile, it's like empty. I haven't stocked up on razors hardly at all. So I definitely wanted to go ahead and do that. And I think this is the last deal that I did. So I did something a little bit different than the inserts because I didn't want to go buy any more newspapers. So I ended up getting 2 of the Colgate toothpaste. I had a $1 off digital coupon, and then I used a 50-cent off coupon. So I used both of those. And then for the mouthwash, I ended up using a 50-cent off coupon from Today's Paper, and then I printed off a 75-cent off coupon from the Colgate.com. I had a 3 off of 12 CRT that I wanted to use for all 4 of these. You would pay $9.21. But then you guys will get $2 and $2 back in an extra care buck, and you get $1.50 and $1.50 back in an extra care buck, making it just $2.21 or just 55 cents a piece. An okay deal. I usually say toothpaste should be free, but I mean, if you you could factor in that these were $2.21 and these were free. However you guys want to take it, go for it, you know. But I wanted to just share with you guys on that. So between Walgreens and CVS, I am like razor and toothpaste wasted. That's how much stuff I got. So that was my haul, you guys. My total came to $22.86 for everything. I ended up using $22 of ECBs. I had one that they reissued me for $12, and then I had the $10 like monthly care pass that it was expiring tomorrow, so I had to use that because I don't think they reissue that. So I'm like, Grandma, I have to use it. I'm not wasting $10. Even if I just go buy some stuff, I don't want to have that go to waste. But I ended up receiving $27 back in an extra care buck. So that was kind of cool. So yeah, basically, and then I got $5 back with Ibotta, making it $12.86. I got 16 items at 80 cents a piece. I think $12.86 for all that stuff is a pretty good deal. I mean, if you think about it, I got $20 worth of razors, I got $20 worth of diapers, and then I got some things here and there. So I think I did an okay deal for starting out again. I really want to start building up my extra care bucks again, but it'll take a while, and that is okay. Hopefully you guys have a nice day and you guys can get some really good deals at CVS. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys like. And I will see you guys all next week, hopefully. I'm going to try. I don't know if I'm going to go every week. I don't know. I want to. I really do. But we will see. We will see. So I will catch you guys back in a little bit. See ya. Bye-bye.